some of these people get on here and they're very green, which is not a problem at all, but it's always like more fun, I think, when working with somebody who has a little extra experience. So I read the background. So it seems like your goals, find a niche. So is this as an email copywriter? Are you looking to be a list manager? What is the ideal outcome that you're looking for?
I mean, that's kind of what I've been trying to decide is, is it going to be email manager? Is it going to be copywriter as a general? But from what I can see and kind of taking your approach, kind of like niching yourself down a little bit more, just so you can stand out from other copywriters. Because I know copywriting is a huge thing right now. Everyone's a copywriter, so I do kind of want to kind of niche down a little bit further. So hopefully that's something we can touch on.
Yeah, niching kind of has two aspects though, right? So you can niche like horizontally. So you could be like a fitness writer, you could be a business writer, you could be a dating coach writer, like all that. You can do it vertically as well, which is what I did. And I'm not saying it's better because I did it, it's just what I chose to do. So for example, you've got like the whole realm of copywriting here. So it's like you can be a blog writer, you can be a content writer, you can write emails, you can write sales letters. I kind of made my own, which is email list manager. As you know, like you said, there's a lot of email copywriters out there. So given that there's so many, I don't want to play on the same field as them. So I was like, all right, I'm just gonna make my own field. And surprisingly, very few people have like joined me in this field so far, other than the people in the group that I teach. So the difference honestly is like when you write copy for your clients, like how do you usually deliver it?